honeysuckle trees like this along the hand, but that's 150, 160 mile an hour wind. Whoa, that's coming through that 6-foot fence on the side, and then over the top of the roof with those 2 oak trees laying on top of the roof. But you can't see it in the air, but there was metal flying, there was shit flying over the tree limbs, it snapped trees, it tore it all to hell. I mean,
how was it to ride it out?
To ride it out.
Was it tough?
It was tough.
Was it scary?
It was scary as hell. Everybody was in the hallway, hunkered down. I knew once the trees fell on the front of the house that we had very little chance of the roof going. We've got the front of the house boarded in. I cracked the door right here and just peeked around the corner. I knew I had the 6-foot privacy fence around the corner blocking most of the wind. It relieved enough pressure inside the house that you could feel the pressure in your ears dropping. The barometric pressure just boom down. And it took everything that you see with it. I mean, it blew everything away. This is the aftermath. This is one of the few houses left standing, not totally intact, but relatively intact in the whole neighborhood. We just built this deck, put in a roof over, put in a hot tub, put in an outside shower, didn't lose a screw. Did not lose a screw.
Amazing.
150 mile an hour wind, man. It's more than amazing.
You gonna do it again?
I don't think so.
I don't blame you.
I don't think so.
Well, you didn't know it was gonna be like that, or you wouldn't have done it.
I'll tell you what, Andy, I've been through many hurricanes, grew up in Florida, and I heard stories when I was little about my relatives talking about Camille, when Camille hit Mobile. And they used to tell a story about looking at the trees, and the trees, the ones that were left standing, didn't have a leaf on them. Well, you know what? If you pan around,
Hardly any leaves.
no leaves left on them. At least the ones that are still standing.
Yeah.
And I've been to Mexico Beach. I've been as far north as Cottondale, Mariana, Uniac Springs, Chipley, all around the area. And I don't think, with the exception of Mexico Beach, because they took the northeast side, which is the west side, or the worst side,
Right.
and with the tidal flow and all the water, which that was most of the damages. Everything floated off the foundation, was blown inland, and I have a lot of relatives over there that lost everything. But here, as bad as it is, it could have been a whole lot worse. I think God spared us this time.
That's right. That's a good thing, man.
Amen, brother.
Now, on to the weatherhead. I guarantee you, you're the only one.
Desperate times.
You're the only one that's got a weatherhead.
Desperate times call for desperate measures.
But
and when you have to improvise, you
just do it.
You put your heads together and you come up with a solution. And my God,
What's that institute you went to school at?
Sand Hills Institute of Technology.
Gotcha.
You do the math.
Gotcha.
It works.
But it's gonna work here in a few minutes. You're gonna have some electricity, man.
God bless you guys. God bless you guys.
Hey, man, we're glad to come do it. I hate the under conditions, but we're still happy to come help you. That's a fact. That's a fact. That's a
Amen,
fact.
brother.
I got a bunch of guys right here, some go-getters.
They go. You know what? They are.
They
They're
worked
good
on this
guys.
road today, didn't they?
They laughed, and they joked, and I'm gonna tell you what, man. For these guys to work as hard as they work right now, and to be in the spirits that they're in right now, that lifts everyone around them. Every life they touch in this community is lifting a spirit.
Yeah.
Lifting a spirit. It's giving someone hope.
That's right.
It's giving someone the will to drive on and do what they need to do to survive. And you can't ask for more than that. That's a selfless act. Everything you do, selfless act.
It lifts us up to turn power on. We hate to work hard and not turn anybody on, but after 2 days we started getting on. So
amen, brother. And I'm going to be honest with you. You guys to do what you've done today, it's amazing. I say today, that's an understatement, Andy. The last week, for what you've done for the last week is incredible. And we see it every day. We get out on this road and we travel to food stations and water stations and churches and places that we go, these PODs, and clearing the roads and clearing the lines and putting up the power and getting everyone back online. It's incredible. It's incredible. There is not enough that can be said about the work that you do.
Well, we appreciate it, but that's what we do, and we're glad to come help you because y'all are in desperate need, desperate times here. So,
amen, brother. I don't think there's been worse than this from Camille.
No, I doubt it. I doubt we'll see more like this. I hope. But anyway,
amen to that. I hope. I pray. We never do, but you guys should be commended for the job you're doing, and God bless you.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it, man. Glad to get it. Glad to get it. Glad to get it, man. Won't forget you.
I won't forget you either, Andy. Trust me. Or you boys.
That's right.
That's a good group of boys.
Yeah, they don't play.
What?
They go after it. That's the Bulldogs.
They are. They get her done.
Yes, they are.
I'm impressed.
Well, thank you.
Thank you, Andy.